All right, this story is called The Court's Decision. Now, it's an interesting story because it's fiction, but it's a retelling of an actual thing that happened. So if I switch back to Schoology, here's a video that's talking about the actual event. It's called the Dred Scott decision. Now, this is sort of imagining what he might have said or how he might have felt when that was happening. So somebody was imagining how Dred Scott might have felt. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to circle or underline details that reveal the narrator's point of view on the story events. So where does he share his thoughts and his opinions? If we think about point of view, this is told in first person point of view. I, me, my, we, us, our, those sorts of words are used to, again, Dred Scott, like the fictional, he was a real person, but this is imagining what he might have been thinking and saying. Not reading other people's minds, but sharing his thoughts, feelings, and opinions about events in the text. So that's what you're going to look for when you read the story, is where is he sharing his thoughts, his opinions, what does he understand, what does he not understand, how might he be feeling. You might have to do some inferring. It might not say directly, I feel upset, but you could underline an event that he might be upset about. And then a question to answer in the first paragraph: why did Irene Emerson's decision confuse Dred Scott? So there's this character named Miss Irene. She owns Dred Scott as a slave. And he tried to purchase his freedom. So he was confused about what Irene Emerson decided, and so you're just thinking about why he was confused about that, in addition to underlining or circling things that are sharing his point of view. See if you can find at least two or three places where he's sharing his thoughts and opinions, in addition to answering the question. The code word for this video is what's, as in W-H-A-T apostrophe S, so short for what is. What is the code word for today. Like Kaylin said, she makes a Google Doc. However you want to keep track of those words, I'll ask you at the end of the week what the phrase is for this week. Good luck on your assignment. Let me know if you have questions.